Are you ready to turn $100 into a potential gold mine by 2025? What if I told you that the next big crypto boom is just around the corner, and you could be part of it? Stick around, because this might just change your financial future. Hey, crypto fam! Welcome back to CryptoWini, your go-to spot for all things cryptocurrency. Today we're diving into something massive, the best cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2025. Whether you're sipping coffee in New York, chai in London, or just chilling in your pajamas anywhere in the world, this video is for you. Crypto isn't just digital cash, it's a revolution that's rewriting the rules of money. So, let's figure out how you can get ahead of the game. But first, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on what's coming next. For more knowledge about cryptocurrency, please visit our website www.cryptowini.com. Here's a crazy stat. Back in 2010, Bitcoin was worth less than a penny. Today, it's hovering around $85,000. That's the kind of growth that turns small bets into life-changing wins. But here's the kicker. 2025 could be even bigger, with new coins and tech ready to explode. So why should you care? Because missing out on this could mean missing out on the financial opportunity of a decade. Let's break it down. Alright, before we reveal the top picks, let's talk about what makes a cryptocurrency worth your money. It's not just about hype, though that helps. Look for strong tech, real-world use, and growing adoption. Think of it like picking a racehorse. You want the one with the best legs and the best track record? First up, Bitcoin. It's the OG, the digital gold standard. With only 21 million coins ever to exist, scarcity drives its value. Big players like Tesla and even countries like El Salvador are betting on it. Experts say it could soar past $100,000 by 2025. Safe? Maybe? Exciting? Absolutely. Picture this. You invest $500 in Bitcoin today. By 2025, that could be a down payment on a car, or at least a really nice vacation. Who doesn't want that? Next, Ethereum. This isn't just a coin, it's a whole ecosystem. Smart contracts power everything from NFT art to decentralized apps. With its recent upgrades, it's faster and greener. Analysts predict $5,000 or more by 2025. Now I know what you're thinking, is Ethereum too complicated? Nope, it's like the smartphone of crypto. Everyone's using it and it's only getting better, but wait, there's a sleeper hit coming up that might surprise you. Enter Solana. Think of it as the Ferrari of blockchains. Lightning-fast transactions and super low fees make it a favorite for gaming and finance apps. Its market cap's already at $70 billion, and some say it could hit $500 by 2025. Here's a fun fact. Solana processes 65,000 transactions per second. That's faster than you can say CryptoWini 5 times, but higher rewards mean higher risks, so tread carefully. If you're eco-conscious, Cardano's your vibe. It's built on proof of stake, sipping energy while Bitcoin guzzles it. With projects in Africa and beyond, it's growing fast, potentially hitting $1 by 2025. Cardano's like that friend who's quiet but always comes through. Underrated, maybe. A smart pick, definitely. Last up, Polkadot. It's the glue that ties blockchains together, making them talk to each other. Unique? You bet. Experts see it climbing to $50 by 2025. Polkadot's like the internet of crypto, connecting everything. But here's the cliffhanger. One of these coins could outshine them all by 2025. Which one? Keep watching. So how do you start? Pick a trusted exchange like Binance or Kraken, set up a wallet and diversify. Don't bet it all on one coin. Start small and always research. Pro tip, don't invest your rent money. Crypto's exciting, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-smart-first game. Imagine this. It's later in 2025. Your crypto picks have doubled, maybe even tripled. You're not just keeping up, you're actually ahead of the curve. That's the power of investing smart today. Alright, CryptoWini crew, that's your 2025 roadmap. Bitcoin for stability, Ethereum for innovation, Solana for speed, Cardano for sustainability, and Polkadot for the future. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you love this, hit that like button, subscribe, and head to www.cryptowini.com for more juicy crypto tips. Links in the description. Thanks for hanging out with me on CryptoWini. Next up, check out our video on 5 crypto mistakes to avoid. It's honestly a game changer. See you there. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and watch this next. Visit our website, www.cryptowini.com for more.